welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for coming, and I want to ask you first, do me two things a favor, actually three. One of them is please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. This is StephActiveVeggieByrd. And then also I have a new channel that I've just started, and it's called Byrd VanLife, and it centers around the new van that I'm in it right now, and it's my Thor. It's a Class B van, and it's super nice, so comfortable, and I'm in it right now. I'm actually on a trip in my van, and so while I'm at it, I said, look, I'm bringing my wigs, so let's talk about these really cute wigs that I have on. The weather is awesome right now. I'm currently in El Paso, Texas, and this wig is called Feelin Radiant. I love this one, and it's totally comfortable. It's not too hot right now. It's actually the fall, so it's a great time to wear this short little sassy number. And you can see the sunlight. Well, I have the sunroof open, but I don't know if you can capture the colors. Can you see those sun-kissed tips? Yeah, there they go. If you want to save some money, save yourself $10 off of $100 or more when you go to HerGivenHair.com. You put in the code Steph, S-T-E-P-H, and you'll save yourself $10 off of anything that you purchase at HerGivenHair that costs $100 or more. This will definitely qualify. It's at least a couple of $100. But yeah, go ahead and use that code. Put in StephActiveVeggie as the guru that introduced you to HerGivenHair, and that would be just totally splendid. So while we're at it, like I said, go ahead and hop on over to my other channel, Byrd VanLife, and subscribe to it. Follow me. I just posted a video of my excursion to New Mexico and in Texas, and more to come. I will be posting more very soon and very regularly. So check it out. Glad you stopped by. Spread the word. Take care of yourselves, and peace.